Ever wonder why some videos take off and others go unseen? I know I've had my fair share of those videos I spent so much time on, and then they go unnoticed like lost socks in the laundry. Well, it basically comes down to two powerful things. Every video should start with these two building blocks, the right topic and an irresistible title. And today we're going to break down the great debate over what's more important, what your video is about or how you package it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hey friend, April Meese here. I'm an AI and video marketing mentor. And today we're talking about the age-old battle between topic versus title. I feel like I should say something like, ladies and gentlemen, in this corner, weighing in at 50 million searches a day, the cornerstone of every great video, the topic. The master of solving problems, sparking curiosity, and keeping your audience glued to the screen. And in the other corner, the undefeated champion of clicks, the king of first impressions, the hook that pulls them in, the title. The crowd favorite for making viewers stop scrolling and start watching. Okay, that was a little cheesy, and this microphone's not even working, but I felt like I had to do it. Which one is more important? Let's break it down and see which one wins this battle of supremacy. In all seriousness, these two aren't just nice to haves, they're non-negotiables. If you want a video that grabs attention, keeps viewers engaged, and converts them into clients. Let's start with the topic first. The topic is the foundation for your video. It's the heart of what your video is about and why someone should care. And it's also about consistently choosing the right topics, like what you are known for and what the audience wants. Without a strong topic, the audience won't bother staying past the first 10 seconds, right? Your topic has to solve a problem or answer a burning question or deliver value that your audience actually needs. Okay, so think of your topic as the plot of a great movie. It's what makes people stay till the end. And frankly, it's what keeps them coming back. So let me give a little story, personal story. So for Thanksgiving, I visited my family in Texas. And my father's telling me all about his golf game. You know, where he plays, how he plays, who he plays with, his score, like all the details for about an hour. And that's fantastic. I'm not into golf at all. And so while I'm happy he's happy, if he wasn't family, I don't think I'd keep listening because it's just not a topic that I'm interested in. And I definitely wouldn't click on the video topic of golfing, right? So you have to have a topic that your audience cares about. Now, on the other hand, the title, that's what people see. That's the first thing they see. It's what determines if they click and watch or scroll right past. And a great title is going to grab their attention. It should spark curiosity. It should promise a solution. And without a strong title, even the best video topics will go unnoticed. So if your video was a book, the title is the flashy cover. It's what gets someone to pick it up off the shelf and want to read more. So imagine you're interested in the topic of building a website. If you see a video that is titled Website Tips, it's not exactly exciting. But if the video was titled Build Your Dream Website in just 1 hour, no tech skills needed, now that's going to get some clicks. That's going to get your attention. The content didn't change, just the title. That's the power of a great title. In a moment, I'll give you some more examples, but here's the magic. Your topic and your title have to work together. Your topic is the what the video is about, and the title is the why someone should care enough to click. It's kind of like peanut butter and nope, not jelly, chocolate. Those are my favorite too. On their own, they're good, but together, unstoppable. Unless you're allergic to peanut butter, and then let me find another analogy. Okay, it's like dating. Your title is the attraction. It's the profile picture or what gets the attention, right? But your topic is your personality, your values, what you're about. And you need both to make a connection. enough of the analogies. Let's drive this home with a couple of examples. Let's say the topic is how to grow a garden. Side note, I'm a wannabe gardener. I have about 10 different types of vegetables that I'm trying to grow in the backyard. If I saw a video that was titled Gardening Tips for Beginners, I don't think it would be as intriguing as a strong title like The 3 Secrets to a Thriving Garden, No Green Thumb Needed. That would get my attention and get more clicks. Here's another example. The topic is how to create engaging videos. So a weak title would be like tips for making videos. A strong title would be why no one watches your videos and how to fix it, right? So you can see the relationship between the topic and the title. And you can also see that the stronger title has more details, more emotion. It invokes curiosity. When you get these two components right, your video will perform better, attract more viewers, and save you hours of wasted effort on content that doesn't connect. And the good news is with artificial intelligence, with AI apps, you can plan your content topics and titles for the year. That means having 365 topics. I mean, if you wanted to do a video every day, but either way, you would have that many topics and matching scroll stopping titles and options for titles for each topic in under 10 minutes, probably like 5 minutes. It's so fast and so easy. Now, a little teaser, I have a formula to help you do this, and I'm going to share that in the next video. So if you're ready to make videos unstoppable, then hit subscribe and turn on notifications because you don't want to miss the next part of the series. In the next video, I'll show you how to choose the perfect topic that resonates with your audience and keeps them watching till the very end. And I'll also walk you through a proven formula for crafting irresistible titles that makes your audience stop scrolling and start clicking, and you don't want to miss that video either. So let me know in the comments what was your favorite takeaway or most valuable part. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. If you want to have a video that keeps clients engaged and wait, let me try that again.